Hey everyone, what in the world? Sorry about that, guys. Gotta coming up. Yeah, hey guys, sorry about that rough start. Yeah, I literally just got out of the shower. Don't ask me why I'm wearing this shirt. It doesn't fit me at all. So yeah, I just got out of the shower, and I just now wondered that I just now thought to myself, I ordered the skateboard like a couple days ago, like 5 days ago, I think it was, and I realized something. Sorry about that, it's my sister. Yeah, we're spending that at my grandma's. And yeah, so let me just close this door. There we go. Perfect. What do you want to talk about? Come on in. So yeah, it's been a few days since I got the skateboard, but then I realized something. Something big. Really big. Yesterday was Memorial Day. Yep. And you know what that means? They don't send from, actually it wasn't eBay, but they don't send, people don't really send stuff on holidays. So that's the bad part. Oh yeah, and also it wasn't actually 5 days ago. I ordered it on Monday, today's Wednesday. I ordered it on Monday, I think. Monday or Saturday. No idea. No, not Saturday. Sunday or Monday. So yeah, I ordered it on either Monday or Saturday. Yeah, I think it was Monday, and today's Wednesday. Still gotta get this hair down. Seriously right now? Here we go. Never mind. We'll worry about that later. Yeah. So, today's Wednesday, and yesterday was Tuesday, which was Memorial Day, and I ordered it on Monday. And they don't send stuff on holidays, like I said. But the good news is, it's like, I don't know, like 7:45, and I'm not going to bed yet. I'm going to bed like 9 or something, 10, I don't know. But yeah, so what is this? So yeah, it's almost the end of the day. So then that means they got that start this morning, and it's coming from LA, California, something like that. I know it's coming from California, LA, I don't really know. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you that I messed up. Big time. So you guys, I just wanted to tell you that just in case you were wondering. So yeah, I mean, the skateboard's probably almost here, like almost. But I'm not too sure. It's probably almost here. Because I don't have a date. It said that it would be here like in a week or so, 3 to 7 days. That's what it said. So yeah, don't talk to me. Wait a second. That's the page from my grandma's channel. Nicely done. Where were we? So yeah, guys, I just wanted to tell you that just in case. So it's almost here. It's probably going to be here. Like it's Wednesday now. It's probably going to be on Saturday or maybe Sunday or maybe Monday. That rhymes. I'll see you guys in the next video. And peace out.